I threw it. You find it. Where's the stick? Where did you throw the stick? Right around where you are. I can't find it. Come on. I trained you in search in Sentin. You should be able to do it. What's the matter? You're too old to scent for it? He's 11 years old. I trained him in scenting some years ago. Honestly, I could have made him a search and rescue dog probably, but I guess I'm just too lazy. One time, last year, I was with Foster Dog and Riley. We went off trail around these parts, and Riley sent us out of there. He's a really smart doggo. I didn't give him that much trained Sentin, but he's really smart. I gave him some back in 2014, and some here and there after that.